Have you been using the Instagram and you may have noticed that Instagram often compresses your photos and videos, reducing quality? Here is how to fix it and make your posts look their best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram quality. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile at the bottom, just right here. Then here you can find your profile. Now tap onto three lines at the top right corner, just right here. Now open it. Now keep on scrolling until you find the media quality, just right here. Now select it. Now here you can find the option of upload at highest quality. Now here you can see it has been disabled. Now simply tap onto this button to enable it, just like this. And now you can see it has been enabled. Now after doing this, you can simply post your photos and videos on your highest quality possible. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Instagram quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.